Hey guys, I'm here at Lakeboat Winery in beautiful Caledon, British Columbia, and I wanted to talk to you guys about the new Diemme Velvet 34 press. For Diemme's 100-year anniversary, they have redesigned their press lineups, and we want to go through and show you all the new changes that were made. 4 built-in handles all the way around the new press. Easy to move, it's mobile, you can roll it around your crush pad. For the 100th year, Diemme has updated their logo and their graphics, and they've come up with a new scheme as far as press layout. So let's show you a little bit more. 2 easy access doors, open. Make servicing this panel and this press absolutely a breeze. What hasn't changed are the main components in the Diemme, a high quality Becker air compressor, which is responsible for the membrane inflation, and a high volume blower, which is responsible for first stage and evacuation of the membrane. Everything is laid out beautifully and cleanly, and nothing but high quality components. Diemme has kept their manual control system in the event of any touchscreen failure. You can always have a backup plan if you need to operate the press in emergency. High quality Schneider electric components, along with Siemens controls and PLCs, create the perfect marriage for controls. Standard on the Velvet 34 is an easy to remove and clean juice tray, juice level sensing probe, which we can interlock to your juice pump. And inside of this unit, there's mirror polished, laser cut juice channels with large surface area to promote higher juice yield. This unit has a safety cord feature that's on both sides of the unit. It can be tensioned inside of this little block, and that prevents anybody from injuring themselves during operation. Optional 3-inch TC connection for axial feeding with the safety pressure relief in the event of a pump failure. The biggest improvement on the new Diemme presses is the interface. As you can see, it's a nice bright touchscreen with multiple different additional controls. Here we are in manual mode. And the biggest improvement on manual mode is the capability of maneuvering the press drum in any position you shall require. A simple touch of the play button or the pause button will start and stop all functions. And over here you can see the current position of the drum at all time and the pressure that is currently inside the membrane. Here we have all the different modes available: manual, filling, pressing, and discharge mode. Here we are in filling mode, and as you can see, there's a rocking setting here available. And what this is going to do is have a certain amount of revolutions of tilt during your filling cycle. And they do this to create an even level of product inside the press as you're filling. No need to crawl inside of the press, rake grapes around, move product around. This rocking feature is doing that for you. We're in pressing mode, and the changes that have been made this year are now you have a pressing graph here that shows you the pressing amount for pressure and the time, so you can visually watch your press cycle during operation. Diemme's pressing program selection includes different cycles for red and white grapes, along with intelligent and MIP selection. This allows the machine to run the optimal amount of time during the press cycle, making it faster and more efficient for the customer. Diemme also includes an automatic discharge program, and what that does is with the press in motion and the doors are open, it's discharging all of the marc and pumice that you have inside into a bin, and it's dropped right underneath the door. Again, this step is also fully customizable with steps, rotation, and time. This Velvet 34 comes with an extra large opening, double sliding doors, which makes for easy filling, discharge, and cleaning. Diemme has 2 press product lines, the Tecnova and the Velvet, and they are available in multiple sizes to suit your winery. This is an example of the Tecnova 34 here at Nickel Vineyards. And the difference in this press is that the drum has tightly spaced laser cut perforations to both maximize the drainage surface area and minimize shearing of the grape skins during the pressing cycle. This feature allows larger yields of juice or wine with less total solids. Diemme continues to be a leader in the industry. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or comments. We have a 24-hour service department available throughout harvest. And if you're interested in getting one of these on your crush pad, give us a call at Cellar-Tek.